How to withdraw Coinbase to PayPal. So to transfer money from Coinbase to PayPal, you'll need to sell your cryptocurrency holdings in Coinbase and then either link your PayPal account directly to Coinbase or transfer the funds to a bank account and then to PayPal. So here's a step-by-step guide. So first, sell your crypto in the Coinbase. So go to the sell section, choose the currency you want to sell, and enter the amount, and then select the sell into your local currency. Then you want to transfer that to PayPal. And to do that, you must first link your PayPal account. So to link your PayPal account, you can search this help here by searching how to link or withdraw Coinbase to PayPal, and you will find this link here. And then you can just follow this guide here. Now, on to the next thing. So transfer or PayPal. So direct transfer is available, or you can try to transfer to the bank account and then to the PayPal. So here are some important notes. Selling is required. So basically you must sell your crypto in order to get the cash value in your local currency before transferring it to PayPal. And first you must link your PayPal. So basically what I just said here, you must link your PayPal account and then you must be aware of the fees because when you're selling your crypto, there will always be fees. And lastly, you may need to complete identity verification with both Coinbase and PayPal before transferring funds. And that is how you withdraw Coinbase to PayPal.